Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling green hills, lived a young shepherd boy named Kai. He was tasked with guarding his father's flock of sheep, a duty he found both peaceful and monotonous. To break the boredom, a mischievous idea took root in his mind. One sunny afternoon, as he sat beneath a sprawling oak tree, watching his sheep graze lazily, Kai decided to play a trick. He shouted at the top of his lungs, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is attacking the sheep." The villagers, hearing his cry, dropped their tools and rushed to his aid. Armed with pitchforks and clubs, they arrived breathless, only to find Kai laughing heartily, his sheep grazing peacefully. Disappointed but amused, they returned to their chores, shaking their heads. Kai found the villagers' reaction exhilarating. The attention, the commotion, it was all too tempting. Over the next few days, he repeated the trick several times, each time enjoying the villagers' frantic response. However, the novelty soon wore off. The villagers, initially amused, grew increasingly irritated when Kai cried wolf for the fourth time. They merely glanced up for their work, a hint of uneasiness in their eyes. One fateful evening, as a real wolf crept closer to the flock, Kai's heart pounded with fear. He knew he had to call for help. With trembling voice, he shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is really here!" But the villagers, weary of his false alarms, ignored his cries. They believed him to be playing another trick. Meanwhile, the wolf, emboldened by their indifference, attacked the flock, causing chaos and destruction. Kai was filled with remorse. He had lost his father's trust, damaged his reputation, and caused harm to the innocent sheep. The villagers too were heartbroken over the loss of their livestock. From that day forward, Kai learned a valuable lesson. He realized that trust is a delicate thing, easily broken but difficult to rebuild. He understood the importance of honesty and the consequences of deception. Kai spent the following years working tirelessly to regain the villagers' trust. He helped with the harvest, care for the sick, and always spoke the truth. Slowly but surely, the villagers began to believe him again. As Kai grew older, he became a respected member of the community. He often shared his story with the younger generation, warning them about the dangers of dishonesty. His tale became a cautionary fable, reminding everyone of the importance of truthfulness and the consequences of betraying trust. And so, the boy who once cried wolf became a symbol of honesty and integrity. His story served as a reminder that even the smallest act of deception can have far-reaching consequences. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy. Lying can damage your reputation and lead to serious consequences.